In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use gradients in Photoshop CC 2018. First, open Photoshop and either bring in an existing image or start fresh. If you're editing a photo, go to File, then Open and pick your file. If you're designing from scratch, choose File, then New and set a canvas size that suits your project. A larger canvas gives you more room to experiment and you can always resize later. Next, select the gradient tool from the Tools panel. If you don't see it, it might be hiding under the paint bucket. Just click and hold to reveal the gradient tool or press the G key as a shortcut. When the tool is active, look up at the options bar. You'll see a gradient preview swatch. Click that preview to open the gradient picker where you can choose from presets like foreground to background or black to white. These are great starting points. When you've chosen one, click anywhere outside the panel to confirm. Before you draw, pick the gradient type in the options bar. Linear gives you a straight blend from one side to the other. Radial spreads outward from a central point. Angle rotates the colors around a pivot. Reflected mirrors the gradient on both sides of your starting point. Diamond creates a diamond-shaped blend that can be handy for highlights or focal points. Now apply the gradient. Click where you want it to start. Drag in the direction you want it to flow and release to apply. The length and angle of your drag affect the look, so experiment. A longer drag produces a smoother transition. If you want a perfectly straight gradient, hold Shift while dragging. If it's not quite right, press undo and try again. To fine-tune the colors, click the gradient preview to open the gradient editor. Double-click the color stops beneath the gradient bar, choose your new colors, and press OK. This is a quick way to match brand colors or create thematic palettes without rebuilding your gradient from scratch. If you need the gradient in a specific area, make a selection first with any selection tool, then apply the gradient inside that selection. For a non-destructive workflow, create a new layer and apply the gradient there. You can adjust the layer's blending mode and opacity afterward for subtle effects. For maximum flexibility, use a gradient fill layer. Go to Layer, New Fill Layer, Gradient, and click OK. In the Gradient Fill dialog, adjust the style, angle, and scale, and tweak colors as needed. Click OK to apply, and remember, you can revisit these settings later for easy edits. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.